So guys, we're getting ready to go behind another one of our big box equity investor-owned companies here in the Triangle area of North Carolina. So they have quoted this man basically $3,550 to replace his supply plenum. $2,422 for the plenum. Another $592 for difficult access. And then they tacked on another $296 for the drain line to be cleared, totaling $3,550 with tax. $3,500 to replace the supply plenum and clear a drain line. You be the judge. Let's see what he's got going on. Alright guys, so there's our supply plenum that, access is pretty nice. I can actually stand up in this attic. And it's just a little plenum. I don't know why it needs to be replaced. It's only about 24 by 21 maybe. 21. $2,500 it costs to replace one of those now. Can you believe that? And another $595 for difficult access. Now there's water in the drain pan. I bet the drain line's clogged. Maybe they were quoting her $2,500 to replace that drain pan because it's rusted out so bad. I don't know. That's what they'll do to you. I'm gonna go out there, cap there. There's another one down there. I don't know why there's two air vents in it, but I'm gonna go vacuum the drain real quick, just out of curiosity, see if I get anything out of it. But yeah, $2,500. Yeah, I remember now. That was part of the other one. They quoted her $295 to clear the drain line. So I'm gonna go out there free of charge and put a shop vac on it real quick and see what happens. So we're outside and there's nothing out here. That's dry as I'll get out. But we're gonna walk around the back of the house because that pan has a secondary drain on it. And I'm gonna guess there's some rust back here. No. Oh yeah, it's on the edge of the window. But that's the one that comes off that pan. You can see the rust. Kinda, I don't know if you can get my hand or not, but you can see the rust down the side of the window right there. So that's where the air conditioner's been draining. Alright, I'm gonna try to see if I can get anything out of this thing. Let that thing cool for a minute. Yeah, man, these big national equity investor heat and air companies will stick it to you with the sharpest teeth they can find. Now we got water coming out. There we go. Yeah, but she needs a new supply plenum for $2,500 and difficult access. Bullshit. Look at that right there. Yep. Yeah, there's the rust that came out of it. Right there. Yeah, guys, that's $295 worth of work right there. Free of charge. So, all right, guys. $2,500 for a plenum. An additional $595 for difficult access. I mean, plenty of room up here. $295 they quoted to clear the drain line. But you know what they didn't quote? Replacing this rusted ass pan. And what's going to happen when it finally rusts through? It's all going to come through the ceiling. The most important part they left out. She doesn't need that. I cleared the drain line. I'm not even going to charge her for that. We're going to quote her to replace this pan and sign her up on a maintenance contract. Hey guys, I was opening the furnace up just to look in it a little bit. Look at that. Ugh. What in the hell? Look at that. I don't know if they told her about that or not, but that's going to be a problem. And I guess they didn't want her to be able to run it and start getting all worried and give in and pay for everything they were wanting to do. The air conditioner won't come on. I got common disconnected from the thermostat wire. Oh boy.